An unstoppable super weapon for an evil empire? Did you know this popular fruit can cause cancer? You don't notice it until it's too late. What Bill Hicks said about CNN in the 90s was not only true, but also prophetic.
War, famine, death, AIDS, homeless, recession, depression. War, famine, death, AIDS. Then you look out your window, it's just...
All media right now use clickbaity titles and scare tactics to trick you into clicking. The news outlet gets their money and you get a little bit of anxiety in return. It adds up. And sure, you can't skip news altogether and be oblivious to everything that's happening in this world, but that's not easy, and I think it's good to be at least a little bit informed. That's why I created a little browser plugin that lets you mute specific words and phrases and disable them. Don't like hearing about war? Add a word to your list. Not a fan of hearing about a deadly flu? Well, add this to the list.
And it's gone.
Let's not play their game, because this is completely at our expense. The collective level of mental health in the world has been dropping significantly every year. It's time we took notice and regained some control. The plugin is completely free. It doesn't track any of your private data. We don't even have a server or a database to store it in. You can use it to get your online well-being in order. And obviously, have a beautiful day. Download link in the description.